Hey, it's George from Matthews Curry Ford, and I've got something special for you today. Of course, at Matthews Curry Ford, we have a great selection of lifted and custom pickup trucks. This particular one is extra special. F350 dually 4-inch lift. Beautiful tires and wheels, and I can't wait to show this one to you. Stick around and take a look. Thank you. This is a brand new 2018 F350 dually 4x4 Super Crew. It's got the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. It's the Platinum Edition, and we put the FX4 package on it, the twin panel moonroof, adaptive cruise control, and power deployed running boards. And don't forget about the ultimate trailer tow camera. Kevin, our custom manager, created custom emblems and tinted tail and roof marker lights. And did I mention the twin panel moonroof? This is gorgeous. We have a 4-inch BDS lift and Fox shocks.
Now the wheels, oh yeah, 6 of them, American Force, 22-inch wheels. We wrapped them with the 37-inch Toyo RT open road country tires. This is an exceptional truck. You have to take a look at it. Come down to the dealership in Nokomis, Florida, and I'll see you there. Thank you.